what if I told you that one of the world's wealthiest individuals, a man who revolutionized the way we use computers, began his journey with a simple fascination for coding? Yes, we're talking about Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft. In the late 60s, when the world was just getting acquainted with the concept of computers, a young Gates discovered an interest in coding. An interest that would soon turn into a lifelong passion. At the tender age of 13, while studying at Lakeside School in Seattle, Gates wrote his first computer program on a General Electric computer. It was a simple tic-tac-toe game where users could play against the machine. Output? After mastering the school's computer system, Gates, along with his schoolmate Paul Allen, exploited bugs in the operating system to gain free computer time. This was not a malicious act of hacking, but rather an early demonstration of their ability to understand and manipulate complex systems. From this point forward, Gates's journey in coding became more serious. His next big step was when he and Allen started their own company, Data, which sold traffic counting systems to local governments. The duo wrote the software for these systems, thus gaining real-world coding experience. But the real game changer came in the late 70s. When IBM, the leading computer company at the time, was looking for an operating system for their new personal computer, Gates and Allen saw an opportunity. They bought an existing operating system, modified it, and sold it to IBM as MS-DOS. This was a masterstroke that propelled Microsoft to the forefront of the computer industry. Gates continued to code for Microsoft until the late 80s, even after becoming the company's CEO. He was known for his hands-on approach, often reviewing and rewriting code himself. His coding journey, however, was not without challenges. Microsoft faced numerous legal battles over its business practices, yet Gates remained resilient, learning valuable lessons about the importance of adaptability, perseverance, and vision. In retrospect, Bill Gates' coding journey is a testament to his dedication and love for innovation. From a young boy fascinated by a school computer to the head of a tech giant, his journey has been nothing short of remarkable. Key takeaways from Gates's journey include the importance of curiosity and continuous learning. He didn't stop at understanding how to use a computer. He wanted to know how it worked. This curiosity led him to learn to code, start a business, and eventually change the world. His journey also teaches us the value of resilience. Despite the legal challenges and fierce competition, Gates never backed down. He continued to innovate and adapt, demonstrating that success often comes to those who persevere. Finally, Gates' journey underscores the importance of vision. He saw the potential in personal computers long before they became a household item. This vision guided his decisions and ultimately led to his extraordinary success. So when you think about coding, remember Bill Gates. Remember his curiosity, his resilience, and his vision, and who knows? Perhaps you too could change the world one line of code at a time.